Since fall is a little bit drier and chillier, we want to make sure that our skin is super hydrated. So we're going to start with the Extra Repair Lotion. It's a great hydrating step to use to prep your skin, and it allows the rest of your skincare to sink into your skin and work more effectively. Now, if you're a lover of the vitamin-enriched face base by Bobbi Brown, you're going to absolutely love the new eye base. It's loaded with shea butter, and it works to smooth out any fine lines under the eye, and it also provides a great base and cushion for your corrector and concealer. Speaking of vitamin-enriched face base, that's what we're going to use on Monica today. This is perfect for those dry fall and winter months. It's also loaded with vitamin C and E, which helps to brighten the skin. So last but not least with skincare, you want to make sure to not neglect the lips. We're going to apply some Bobbi Brown lip balm. What's so special about this lip balm is it has coffee seed extract, which brings forth the natural lip and makes it look more full. Next, we're going to move on to corrector and concealer. This is such an important step because we all look like we need a little bit more sleep. The corrector is going to go under your eye, and it's going to cover any darkness that you may have and also lift and brighten. With us all wearing masks, our eyes are super highlighted, so having them look bright and awake and pretty is really more important than ever now. So the corrector goes on first to cut the darkness, and it almost works as a primer as well. And then on top of that, we're going to add the concealer. The concealer adds that warm tone so that it matches the rest of your skin. So again, you're going to mask the dark, and then you're going to blend it with the rest of your natural skin tone. Next, we're going to use our Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation. The Skin Serum Foundation is SPF 40. It also gives your skin nutrients and hydration, which is important for the fall season. It has a mushroom extract that actually helps with the energy of your skin, giving your skin a tighter, more plumped look. We're also using our full coverage brush from Bobbi Brown, and we're stippling it into the skin, pressing it in and working to not pull it across the skin. Honestly, this is better for your skin overall, but it does give it a more natural look. This foundation is a medium to full coverage. A great tip too is if you ever see foundation looking like it's sitting on the skin, take your hands and press it into the skin. The warmth will help blend it. Next, we're going to give Monica a little bronzer. The best way to choose bronzer, with Bobbi Brown at least, is to hold up 2 shades that you think might work, and you'll immediately see which one matches your skin tone best. You can come into Woo and we'll help you pick the best colors for you. We're going to use a bronzer brush, and then we're going to push the excess bronzer into the mirror on the compact, or you can press it into the back of your hand. Working from top, center, and down. This also works to take off a little bit of that shine. And don't forget your neck. Under our chin and around our neck is usually quite a bit lighter than our face. Next, we're going to set Monica's concealer under her eyes with a little bit of pale yellow powder. So the Bobbi Brown concealer comes like this, with the concealer on one side and a pale yellow powder on the other. You'll use this to set the concealer, and what that will do will make sure it doesn't move and it doesn't crease. The next product we're going to use on Monica is the Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks. This is in the color Powder Pink. A cream blush is a great option in the fall and winter months. It actually stays on your skin a little bit better, and it looks more natural. We got to do all we can to fight that dry skin. Next up, we're going to use our Bobbi Brown Luxe Lip Color. The Luxe Lip Color is long-lasting, uber moisturizing, and has a ton of color payoff. It's also infused with vitamin E, so you'll get a nice juicy lip with this, but it will also last. And then over this, we're going to use our new crushed oil infused lip gloss. This gloss has berry extract in it to offer extreme hydration to the lips. And it comes in 12 different shades. Stop in today and we'll help you choose a perfect one for fall. Now on to the brows. The first step is to make sure that you're brushing the hair up. so that you get the full shape of the brow. And now we're going to apply our perfectly defined long wear brow pencil. This is such a great brow pencil because you actually get 24 hours of solid wear. It's waterproof, sweat-proof, humidity-proof, and we're just brushing up and over with the tip of the pencil, following the natural shape of her brow. Next up is the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. This color is called Golden Bronze. This is one of Gretchen's favorite colors for fall because it truly looks good on everyone, and also that beautiful golden color. These are going to be the easiest shadows that you have ever used. You actually draw it on the eyelid like a crayon and then smudge it with your finger. Now under the brow and as her liner, we're going to use the Bobbi Brown Eye Essential palette. Use the lighter color right under the brow. Next up, we're going to use the Longwear Gel Eyeliner. This is one of Bobbi Brown's hero products. If you've never tried this gel eyeliner, we highly suggest you try it out today. We're going to apply it to her lash line and then we're going to smudge it out to make it a little bit smoky. Now when you apply it, it's best to do it in short little strokes. You don't have to have one solid line that's perfectly drawn. Now Gretchen is actually also going to go up under her lash line. It gives it a more defined line, especially if you're someone who after you draw on your liner you can see skin under the lash right before your eye starts. You want to fill that in by going under the lash line. Now she's going back in with a clean brush and she's going to smudge it out. This way there's no pressure to get that line perfect. Just take a darker shadow from that palette we were using earlier and smudge it right on top of the liner. It looks beautiful. You will never see a mistake doing it this way, we promise. Next up, she's going to use the Smoky Eye Mascara by Bobbi Brown. When applying mascara, you want to get it right at the root of the lash and then wiggle up. Now we're going to use the cream shadow stick that we used earlier because this is also a really great option to use as a liner on the bottom part of the eye. Remember, you always want the liner on the bottom part of your eye to be lighter and softer than the top. And if you're a person who just likes to wear a liner, always make sure that you choose to use it just on the upper, not the bottom lash. And that's it, a simple makeup look for fall that's also great for your skin. Come in to either of our Woo locations located in Buckhead. We have one at West Paces Ferry and one at Peachtree Battle. We'll show you all of our great Bobbi products that we've used in this tutorial and show you how to use our eyeshadow cream sticks. Thanks everyone, have a great fall!